After more than a month of dealing with road construction in Pulaski County, an Arkansas Department of Transportation project has some drivers somewhat frustrated about unpaved roads and the ever-present potholes, they say.
Yes, we know those. Tylisa Hampton is in studio. Tylisa, what else are drivers saying about this project?
Yeah, Laura and Bob, the drivers I spoke with say they are anything but pleased right now with Arkansas Department of Transportation's project named East of I-40 Military Drive. They're hoping it comes to an end sooner rather than later.
I've been having problems with my car ever since I've been driving on that road.
According to iDrive Arkansas, in January, the State Department of Transportation started to mill and overlay around 7 miles of Highway 365 near Maumelle.
I would have thought that they would have just milled, sections at a time.
Chris Carter says the construction has been anything but smooth.
Potholes and a lot of the asphalt that's just, getting everywhere.
Having to take this route to work every day.
As far as our work trucks go and our guys, it's going to cause problems, which it already has.
Jermaine Reynolds says he has to travel this way to take his child to school.
Because it's so rough and so bumpy. It's too many potholes and too many bumps.
Reynolds says he has also had to take out his wallet.
My wheel bearing went out. I had to get that fixed. I had to buy new tires.
It's a project Reynolds and Carter says needs to wrap up soon.
Well, I hope they fix the road to where it'll be a smooth ride and people won't have to constantly get their cars fixed because that's money out of our pocket and ain't nobody else paying for it but us.
Well, according to ARDOT.gov, this is around a $3 million project that is scheduled to complete in the middle of this year. I reached out to the ARDOT spokesperson for comment, and when we have that statement, we'll update you on KARK.com. Reporting in the studio, I'm Tylisa Hampton. Back to you.